Bhagwan Krishna says to Uddhav in Uddhav Gita of Bhagavad Mahapuran, Acharyam mam vijaniyan navamanyet karhichit namartya buddhya suyet sarvadev mayo guru. 11 Canto, 17th chapter, 27 verse, Bhagavad Mahapuran. Bhagwan Krishna says to Uddhav, know the saint. Acharya means saint. Guru, the saint, to be me. Mam vijaniyan, know him to be me, God. Do not see him as a material man. Do not use your material mind and intellect to understand him. And know that all forms of God resides in him. Many places. Yasya sakshat bhagavati jnana deepa prade gurau martya sadhi shrutam tasya sarvam kunjara shauchavat. 7 Canto, 15th chapter, 26th verse, Bhagavad Mahapuran. The Bhagavad is saying, know the Guru, the one who lights the light of wisdom in the heart of the individual soul. Know him to be God personified. Yasya sakshat bhagavati. One who sees the Guru, the saint, as a man, he has the body of a man, but sees him as a man, a worldly man, is like an elephant bath. Elephant goes in the river and bathes, and then goes and takes dirt and throws on itself. One who meets a saint and looks upon a saint like a worldly person does not benefit. Instead will get harm. Eshavai Bhagavan Sakshat Pradhan Purusheshwara Yogeshwarair Vimrgyanghir Lokoyam Manyate Naram. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 7 Canto, 15 chapter, 27 verse. Again the Bhagavad is saying, know the saint, the Guru, to be the personification of that Supreme Lord who is Pradhan Purusheshwara. Pradhan means Maya, the governor of Maya. The greatest yogis and rishis want to attain the dust of the feet of such a saint, Guru. But worldly people see him as a worldly man, and so don't benefit. Guru is so important. But of course, we have to know who is a Guru and what is a Guru. Not anybody can be Guru. Unfortunately, we live in an age of Kali Yuga. And anybody becomes Guru. We just born in a certain home, family, name, or we read some books, or we go to India and study and come back and everybody starts saying Guruji. Or we can sing very good. Worst of worst. Somebody can sing very good. Oh, they're the biggest Guruji. Nowadays, the better you can sing, the more chelas you have. That becomes a special Guruji. We want entertainment. Jo gaal bajate. This is written in Kali Yuga Mahima. These are the people we will accept as being saints. Kagbasunda ji is telling Guruji, this is what will happen in Kali Yuga, and we are seeing it. Nobody tries to understand even what a guru is. The person who is calling himself guru, he also doesn't know what a guru is. You ask him what is a guru, he can't tell you. I came from so and so family. Acha? I studied so much. That doesn't make you guru. What makes you guru? The Vedas, our highest authority, tells us, Pariksha lokan karmachitan brahmano nirvedamayan nasakatikatena tarvigyanartham sagurumeva bhigachet samitpani shotriyam brahmanishtham. Mundak Upanishad, first Mundak, second Kand, 12th mantra. The Vedas are saying we have to have a guru. If you want to go to Bhagavan, if you don't want to go, then get anybody as guru. He's going to hell, he'll take you to hell also. No problem. But if you want to go to Bhagavan, if you want to attain the divine knowledge, divine bliss of Bhagavan, then he has to have two qualities that qualifies him to be guru. Number one, Shotriya. Number two, Brahmanishtham. Shotriya means he has knowledge of all the scriptures, all the Vedas, Puran, every scripture, complete knowledge. But even more important, not only complete knowledge, but he's able to remove our doubts. He makes us understand all our doubts and confusion, which could not have been clarified even after uncountable lifetimes of reading and listening to the scriptures, are removed in no time at all by the real Guru. But even more important than that, he is Brahmanishtham, meaning he has practical experience of God. He has seen Krishna. He's attained the divine bliss, divine knowledge of Shri Radha Krishna. Rahu ganai tapasa nayati nache jaya nirvapanar grihadva nachandasa naiva jalagni suryair bina mahat padarajo bhishekam. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 5th canto, 12th chapter, 12th verse. Jar Bharat is saying to King Rahugan, without the Guru, you can do all the tapasya, all the austerities, all the yoga, everything you can think about. But without the dust of the lotus feet of the Guru, without the real Guru, no one can attain God. Bhagavan Krishna, Prabuddha Maharaj, one of the 9 Yogishwars, is saying to Videhanimi, Tasmar Gurum Papadyeta Jigyasu Shreya Uttamam Shabde Parichanishnaatam Brahman Upashamashayam. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 11th canto, 3rd chapter, 21st verse. One has to go to the Guru, completely surrender. Tasmad Guru Prapadyeta Jigyasu Shreya. Approach him with an inquisitive mind, with faith and reverence. But he has to be qualified. Shabde Pare means Shrotriya. He has knowledge of all the scriptures. Complete knowledge. Shabde Pare Cha Nishnatham means Brahmanishtham. He has practical experience of God. He has attained godization. In Gita too, Bhagavan Krishna says, Tad viripranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshati te jnanam jnaninas tattvadarshinaha. Chapter 4, verse 34, Gita. If you meet someone who is qualified, a bona fide saint, means tattvadarshinaha. He has seen that supreme tat. He has attained Krishna, the divine vision, divine bliss, divine knowledge of Shri Radha Krishna. What should you do? Tad viripranipatena. First thing, completely surrender to him. Pranipatena. Number 2, pariprashnena. Ask him questions with a genuine interest to know, an inquisitive mind, because you have doubts, to remove your doubts. And number 3, sevaya. Do his seva, serve him. He will give you the knowledge of Bhagwan. Many places. So Guru has to be qualified. Then he is equal to Bhagwan. That Guru Bhagwan is saying is me, God personified. We cannot be, worldly man cannot be God personified. Beyond the Maya. Greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, lust, everything. I mentioned before many times, the word Guru alone tells us the meaning of, tells us who is a Guru. Just the word Guru. 3 definitions are given in the scripture. Gum rauti iti Guru. Grinati jnana iti Guru. Girati ajnana iti Guru. Gu. 2 words here. Gu and Ru. Gu means the darkness, the ignorance of Maya. Greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, lust. So Gu means Maya. And Ru means the divine light, divine bliss of Bhagavan. So Ru means Bhagavan. One who can take away Gu, Maya, and give you Ru, Bhagavan, that is a Guru. Who can take away Maya? Bhagavan tells us in Gita. Daivi hisha gunamai mama maya duratyaya mame vaye prapadyante maya metantarantite. Chapter 7, verse 14, Gita. Bhagavan says, hey, Maya is not an illusion. It's a divine power, Daivi Hisha. Or Mama Maya. Maya is a power that belongs to me, God, Shri Krishna. No one can get rid of Maya by themselves. How to get rid of Maya? The Lord says, only the one who completely surrenders to me, to Krishna. So only Bhagavan can take away Maya. So only someone who has become equal to Bhagavan. When someone attains God realization, every power that Bhagavan has, he gives to that soul. Everything he has. Somebody has 10 $10 bills in one purse, 10 $10 bills in a purse, and somebody has a single $100 bill in one purse. The value is the same, right? In the same way, when someone attains God realization, he becomes equal to Bhagavan. Only such a person can take away Maya. Tulsidas says in the Ramayana, सो दासी रघुवीर की इच्छा तो गाई छूटे न राम कृपा बिनु नाथ कहु पद रूपी सिया पति रामचंद्र जी की जय शरणम प्रभु। सो दासी रघुबीर की समुझय मिथ्या सोपी। Tulsidas ji saying, Maya is the dasi, the maid servant of Bhagwan, meaning the power of Bhagwan. People say it's mithya, it's an illusion. But saying that doesn't get you free from Maya. Chute na Rama kripa. Without the grace of Bhagwan, no one can become free from Maya. Maya does not go just by saying it's an illusion. नाथ जीव तव, नाथ जीव तव माया मोह। नाथ जीव तव माया मोह। सोने सरहि तुमरी छोहा। मुधा भेद यद्यपि कृत माया। बिनु हरि जाय न कोटि उपाया। जय राम श्री राम,
जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम, जय राम जय जय राम।
नाथ जीव तव माया मोहा। सो निस्तर ही तुम्हारी ही छोहा। मुधा भेद यद्यपि कृत माया। बिनु हरि जाय न कोटि उपाया। Koti upaya. You can try what you want. Say in Maya is an illusion, all these things, do whatever you want. Uncountable things you can try, but without God's grace, Binu Hari Jai, without the grace of Bhagavan, no one can become free from Maya. So only someone who has become equal to Bhagavan can take away Maya. Again, Tulsidas Ji says in the Ramayana, Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Bolo Ram.
Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Bolo Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
गुरु बिनु भाव निधि तराई न कोई। जो बिरंची शंकर सम होई। बोलो
Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
बोलो राम सिया राम, सिया राम जय जय राम।
Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
गुरु बिनु भावनिधि तारई न कोई। जाओ बिरंची शंकर सम होई। Someone will be as powerful as Brahma, the creator. Biranchi means Brahma. Someone may be as powerful as Shivji, the destroyer. Watch how you're going back, you'll fall on top of the mic. But he will not be able to remove the ocean of Maya without the Guru. And imagine, we call ourselves Guru. Are we more better, powerful than Shivji, than Brahma? Eh? And we Guruji. Hey Bhagavan, what a great sin we commit. Anyone who is not qualified to be Guru, with those qualifications I mentioned, and calls himself Guru and accepts Chela as disciple, he is surely going to hell. Not only that, everyone who follows him goes down with him too. This is what our scriptures are telling us. So nobody tries to even find out first what a guru is. Guru is very important. Without the guru, we can't get anywhere in the spiritual path. Of course, Abhimani. Because of Abhiman, pride, many of us, I don't need any guru. We don't need any guru. I have direct contact with Bhagavan. I talk to Shivji. People say, I talk to Shivji is my friend. He's my pal. Wow. We make all kinds of statements just to fool people, deceive people, so they will surround us. Brag. And make all these things. You can't. God realization is not something so easy. To know Bhagwan. So we have to understand. There's a condition for knowing Bhagwan. Before that condition is fulfilled, Bhagwan will have nothing to do with us. Nothing.
निर्मल मन जन सो मोहि पावा, मोहि कपट छल छिद्र न भावा। बोल राम राम
राम राजा राम 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 बोलो राम 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 राजा राम राम राम।
सरल स्वभाव न मन कुटिलाई, यथा लाभ संतोष सदाई। बोल राम
राम राम राजा राम 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 बोलो राम 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 राजा राम राम राम।
निर्मल मन जन सो मोहि पावा। Bhagwan says, only those who are pure in heart, nirmal man, pure heart, pure mind, can know me, see me, attain me. I cannot bear, I cannot stand deception, deceit, fraud. Sarala swabhav na man kutilai. There should be no kutilai. No deceitfulness, no fraud in the heart, in the mind. Then you can go to Bhagavan. Even the Bible says, blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Everybody's seen Bhagavan. People come to me, Swamiji, I see God. I see God. Then you're a saint, we should worship you. If you're seeing God every moment, you can see Hanuman when you feel like it, Shivji when you feel like it, Shri Krishna, Mother Lakshmi. We should put you on a singhasan and worship you. You have become equal to Bhagavan. Yet you are on Maya, suffering day and night. Greed, anger, jealousy, hatred. And you see in Bhagavan. So all these words of Tulsidas are useless. I mentioned, this is an inferiority complex people have. We want people to think we are so great. So if we tell them we see Bhagavan, if we tell them we have divine experience, oh, such a wonderful lady, Such a great man. You see inside that man or lady, just give them a little push. Just by, by mistake, give them a little push. And that's what you're saying, you've seen Bhagavan. Ready to eat everybody alive. And you've seen Bhagavan. This is the condition. Before that, so God says this is the condition. Before that, Guru is the one who is to do everything for us. As far as the divine knowledge, in scriptures, we can't read the scriptures and get the knowledge of the scriptures by ourselves. During our program in Shiv Lingam Mandir, I mentioned to you that the scriptures are called Parokshavad. Parokshavad means there's a deeper, divine meaning. On top it is saying something, and what it actually means is something else. This is why Tulsidas Ji says, Bhagavad rasik rasik ki baate, rasik bina ko samajh sakhena, khag jane khag hi kai bhakha. Just as a bird alone can understand the language of another bird, so too, only a true saint, a God-realized soul, can understand what another saint has written. Somebody came to me recently, we were doing this thing in the Shiv Lingam, and said to me, every time I come to Mandir, I get something new, You people are doing such great job. I wonder, what job we doing? It's not what you do leave after you leave here, it's what you leave behind, your name. That, when people will remember your name and what you have done, that will take you to heaven. And I've just said that I don't want to go to heaven. I don't know, it goes through one eyes and fly out the other one. Somehow it does not go. We don't hear anything. Why you want to leave your name back in the world? That's how we waste so much time and energy that people should say we're so good. We bar talk everybody. Oh, he like that and this one like that. And you, I am great, man. And we know good. The mere fact that we are bar talking everyone shows how bad we are. Anybody who does that, he is like this and she like that. As long as you're on the Maya, everybody bad, you bad too. What does it get you by saying how everybody bad? Nobody says how bad I am. Nobody would go on a Singhasan and sit down and say, okay, today devotees, I'm going to tell you how bad I am. That I am the worst of the sinners. I am rotten, dirty, bad. Every moment I think rotten things, dirty things, negative thoughts. You ever see anybody sing on a Singhasan and say like that? No, then they will just tell you how great they are. The lecture becomes how great me and my family is. And glorifying. As we say, the empty vessels makes the most noise. When you have nothing, then you make a lot of noise. When you have true knowledge, you become quiet. Now, the saint makes noise, he talks, but it's to help others. And doesn't glorify. A saint never glorifies. You all have read Ramayana. When Vibhishan met Hanuman, Vibhishan said to Hanuman, Hanuman, will Ram accept me? I am a Rakshas, a demon, Rakshas. Hanuman said, Bhaiya, I am a monkey. If somebody get up in the morning and they see a monkey posting, the whole day is spoiled. Whole day is spoiled. And Ram loves me. Because Ram is Patita Pavan, the protector of the sinful, the fallen. Dinanath, the Lord of the fallen, the sinful. Dina Bandhu, the friend of the fallen. We have to accept that though. And that's the problem. We can't, nobody accepts that we are fallen, that we are the most fallen. Everything is to beat our chest and say how great we are. Where in Sanatan Dharma teaches us to do that? Everywhere we see God loves humility. These are special names for Bhagavan. Dina Nath, Dina Bandhu, Patita Pavan. Not these names he doesn't have in Golok, in his divine abode. Because there's no patit, there's no sinners there. There's no fallen soul in Golok. Those titles he gets when he comes in this material world. There, Bhakta Vatsal, protector of his devotees. When we hear that Bhakta Vatsal, we get scared. I'm not a Bhakt, so he's not going to help me. But when we hear Patita Pavan, protector of the sinners, Dina Na, Dina Bandhu, then, yeah, this Bhagavan is for me. Because I am fallen, I am a sinner. So, this work of making the heart pure, uncountable lifetimes of wickedness, sin, impurities, is stored in our mind. We can't see it. You know why we can't see our own faults? We could see everybody else's. Oh, that lady, hey, Bhagwan, I don't even like to see that lady. The moment I see she, my blood will start boiling. That fella, hey, Bhagwan, oh. And we can't see how bad we are. Abhiman. The moment you start saying how nice you are, how good you are, it shows your abhimani. Many times I go to mandir and people come to me, especially ladies, Swamiji, I am such a good lady. Wow, are you a saint? Why you have to go and have this confirmation to people that you're such a good lady? Huh? Or such a good man? If we truly were, we wouldn't make an announcement. As long as we are under Maya, we are the worst of the worst. Uncountable lifetimes. So our pride, our abhiman prevents us from seeing it. When you can see how bad you are, how dirty the mind is, that's a great kripa. Actually, only when we come in the association of a saint, that these things will start happening to us. Or else it's very difficult. Kagbasundji, in the Sapta Prashna, that famous katha in the Ramayana, the 7 questions, Guruji is questioning Kagbasundji, and he asks about the diseases of the mind. And Kagbasundji replies to him and says,
मानस रोग कछुक मैं गाए मानस रोग कछुक मैं गाए है सबके लखी बिरल ही पाए बोलो राम राम राम
मानस रोग कछुक मैं गाए. Kagbasundji says to Guruji, the diseases of the mind, manas, mind, rog, diseases. The diseases of the mind are many. Greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, lust, you name it, many, many. Kam, krodha, lobha, mad, vatsalya, irsha. Many, many. है सबके Go and argue with Kag Basundi ji. When you say, I don't have any of those, people say, I don't jealous anybody. I don't have greed. We like as though we are saints. Hey, sabke. As long as you're under Maya, all the diseases of Maya is in the mind. Hey, sabke lucky. Lucky means to see. Lucky biralan hi. Biralan. Bira. Very rare. Very difficult. Lucky biralan hi paaye. But it is very difficult, very rare that someone can see. Because of the abhiman, the pride, we are governed by that false pride, ahankar. It becomes difficult for us to see how bad we are. When you associate with a true saint, then through his grace you will start seeing. Otherwise we think we are so good. And that's why we don't like people and we have problem with people. I don't like this one, I don't like that one. Because you think I'm better. The moment you start finding faults, it means you're thinking you're better than that person. Abhiman. You're destroying yourself. To find faults is very dangerous.
अष्टम जथा लाभ संतोषा सपने हु नहीं देखहि पर दोषा जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम.
Bhagwan Shri Ram is saying to Shabari, he is outlined in Navdha Bhakti. And he says to Shabari, Ashtama Jatha Labha Santosha. O Shabari, the eighth type of devotion is to be contented whether in gain or loss, and sapnehu nahi dekhahi paradosha. Sapna means dream. Not even in dreams to find faults with others. Paradosh. Because it's so dangerous that he's saying even in dream and openly we find faults. When we find faults, it only makes us more proud. We will never become humble. Humility, which is the foundation of devotion, tinadapi suniche na, to become humbler than a blade of grass. Gaurang Mahaprabhu, Shikshastak. That cannot happen unless we stop finding faults in others and we find our own faults. Our thing is to find our own faults and fix them. Don't fix anybody else. So all this Guru will help us. God is not going to help us. We can't do it. If we could have done it, uncountable lifetimes have gone. How many God realizations we would have attained. So this is where the work of Guru comes. Guru gives us the real knowledge. He tells us we are the soul, the Atma. He shows us how dirty, how bad the mind is. And how to clean it. How to make it pure. How to do sadhana. All this Guru will do. Guru is the one who actually cleans the heart, the mind. And when the heart becomes completely pure, Now Bhagavan will come and say, okay, I will take over. No, no, no. Bhagavan says, all the hard work, my Jan, my saint has done. And now I'm going to do this? No, that work is his too. The work of giving the soul that divine love, divine bliss of Radha Krishna, Guru also has to do. He is going to give Prem Dan also. This work Bhagavan will not do. Not even that. Everything Guru has to do. This is why in the Ramayana it says very beautifully,
मोरे मन प्रभु, मोरे मन प्रभु अस विश्वासा। मोरे मन प्रभु अस विश्वासा। राम ते अधिक राम कर दासा। जय राम श्री राम,
जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम।
मोरे प्रभु, मोरे मन प्रभु अस vishwasa. I have full faith in my mind, O Lord, about what? Ram te adhik Ram kad dasa. Greater than Ram is the servant of Ram, the devotee, the saint. Nobody can be greater than Bhagavan. God is the master of all, and all the saints are his servants. Yet, in the context of purifying the heart of the individual, making that vessel ready, giving him divine knowledge and that divine love of God, because only a saint will do that, Bhagavan is not going to do it. Make it pure, he says, and then come to me. Pure heart, nirmalaman, sarala swabhav. Then come. We can't do it. Bhagavan is not going to do it. He could do it, but he's not going to. He says, I give that work to my saints. In the context of that, the saint is greater than God. Only in that context. For a sadhak, an aspirant in the path of spirituality, Guru, who is a saint, is more important than even Bhagavan. They are one and the same. Don't you have a choice, Bhagavan? But the saint is God personified. The Vedas are saying this. Yasya deve prabhakti yatha deve tatha gurau tasyaite katitha hirta prakashyante mahatmanah. Shvetashvatara Upanishad, chapter 6, verse 23. The highest authority in Sanatana Dharma are the Vedas. And the most important section of Vedas are the Upanishads. And the Upanishad is saying, we have to worship that Guru, who is a saint, who is a real Guru, with the same love and devotion, not even 0.1% less. Same love and devotion as we worship the Supreme Lord Shri Krishna. Only then we will attain the divine knowledge, divine bliss of Radha Krishna. You leave the saint and you decide, I'm going to worship Bhagavan directly, Bhagavan gets mood off. He gets very angry. All those Abhimani who say, I don't need a guru. God gets very angry. And when you worship a saint, if you worship even a saint alone, double faida. You get double benefit. When you worship a devotee, the saint, the true saint, he is happy and Bhagavan is even more happy. Bhagavan says, don't come to me, go to my bhakt, my devotee, my saint. God will come running to you. It's so important. Guru is. But as I keep saying over and over, we have to understand what makes one guru, what qualifies one to be guru. Unfortunately, this knowledge we don't have. And so instead of saints, we end up worshipping worldly people. And that's why we don't get the benefit we are supposed to. This is Kali Yuga. We have to be very careful. Lakhi Suvesh Jagavancha Kajeu Vesh Pratap Puji Ahitehu. Tulsidas Ji Maharaj says, simple people in the world, seeing worldly people in the dress and the garb of saints, wearing yellow clothes, orange clothes, white clothes, long hair, no hair, all kind of mala, mark on the forehead, etc. Veshapata, looking outwardly, start to accepting them, worshipping them as saints, but they get nothing. Someone can only give you what he has. And if he himself is a beggar, a bhikari, what can he give to us who are beggars? If we want to get the divine knowledge, the divine bliss of Bhagavan, we have to go to somebody who has it. The real saint, the bona fide saint. Shotriya Brahmanisht Mahapurush, as the Vedas tell us. There's much more, but that's enough for tonight. On this verse, this little verse, so much we can talk. This is how great these verses are from Radha Govind Geet. Bole Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki, Srimad Sadguru Sarkar ki, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Devotees, so thirsty. It's dry in here. The air. Huh? Really? Maybe it needs cleaning. Bal? Get somebody to clean it, boy. Check the filter. Okay, devotees, again we want to thank Uncle Bal and Premati for first to be inspired to have this 2 nights of satsang in their home. Last time they also had 2 nights, and again this time. Only by God's grace and Guru's grace these things happen, it comes in our mind. When things comes in our mind to do good actions, then you should see that, know that to be God's grace. When wicked things come in our mind, or bad things, worldly things, oh, let me go to a party, let me go to the beach, let me go and smoke some cigarette, drink some rum, fat, that's Maya. So this is the grace of Bhagavan. And that when that thing comes in our mind, we should act immediately. So this is a great blessing, that they have been inspired by the Lord, by Guru, to have the satsang in their home. This is a great blessing. as I mentioned, when we keep satsangs like this and others come also, they get benefit. So we get a little commission from Bhagavan also. Because we are helping others. Paropakari. It's called Paropakari. When you help others spiritually. So this is a great blessing. So tomorrow again we'll be here. Tomorrow morning we're going to be in Shiv Mandir, Oakland Park. And they normally start service around 9:30. So everyone is invited to come and join us there. And tomorrow evening we're back here. Around 7 o'clock, of course, we do have the Abhishek, where we performed Abhishekam, the bathing of the Supreme Lord Shri Radha Krishna with the 5 Amrits. And everyone is invited to come and join with us and take part in wonderful blessings of that nature. So, please do come again tomorrow, right? If you can make it for Shiv Mandir, do come there also too. And come here tomorrow evening also too. And join with us and invite others to come along too, right? I know it's looking like it have plenty, but have plenty space. It has space on this side too also. We can still fill some people on this side, all right? So it's wonderful that so many of you have come, right? And I do hope that, we all have benefited in some way or the other to help us to go in our path, to get closer to Bhagavan. This is the aim of this life. Human life is so valuable that even devatas, celestial gods, are praying and begging for it. It means there's a reason. There's something more important. If we just live life to eat and drink and, and fill our stomach, then what differentiates us from animals? What makes this human body so important that even devatas are begging for it? Celestial gods. Because only in this body we can do bhakti. Dog can do bhakti, cat cannot do bhakti. Right? And devatas, yeah, they praise the Lord, but their action do not bear any fruits. They don't get anything for what they do. This human body, whatever we do, we get fruits for it. Good or bad. You do bad, you're going to get bad fruits. You do good, you get good fruits. Only in the human body. So let us utilize this opportunity we have to see how much we can benefit from it. All right. So at this time, we will. The books you have. So we have the Aarti in there. Let me see if I can find the page for the Aarti of Shri Radha Krishna. And when you finish, please return all the books. If you'd like a copy for yourself, page 36, the Aarti of Shri Radha Krishna in English. Before that, the page before is in Hindi. So page 36, so you can join. If you would like to get a copy, so much beautiful bhajans we sang and we'll sing tomorrow also too. You can always see the people at the bookstall, but return the copies that have been given to you to use. So please return them, and I hope the people who are responsible will try to make sure. We do have a bookstall on the side over here, right? We have so many wonderful things, books, CDs, etc. So do avail yourself. Ani and company, they'll be on this side with the bookstall. You can avail yourself. All right. So this time we'll all stand for Aarti. Can I clear up here and let him play something on the side? Or you play on the side? You can move this thing from here now. We have to clear up here a little bit. You can maybe put the thing on the crowd and the people or someone on the side. Yeah, can I clear up in front there? Move the wire before they walk and break it. What's the wire? Okay, so we're getting ready. We just have to kind of clear up in front here a little bit. We're going to do the Aarti of Shri Radha Krishna, the beautiful deities in front of us. They look so beautiful. We have the opportunity to do Aarti for them. So do take the opportunity to come and do Aarti. Larli Lal Ki Jai. आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की दून सिर कनक मुकुट झलक दून श्रुति कुंडल भल भल
दून दृग प्रेम सुधा छलक चसीले बैन रसीले नैन गसीले सैन धुन में नन मनहारी की बनवारी नथवारी आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी दूने दृग चितवनी परवारी दूने लट लट कनी छवि न्यारी दूने भाव मत कनी अति प्यारी रसन मुख पान हसन मुस्कान दशन दम कान दूने बेसर छवि न्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी एक उर पीतांबर पहर एक उर नीलांबर लहर दून उर लर मोतिन शहर कंकनन खनक किंकनी जनक नुपुरुन भनक हुनरुन जुन धुनि प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी एक मोर मुकुट राज एक सिर चूनरी छवि छाज दून सिर तिरछे भल भ्राज संग ब्रजबाल लाड़ लीला बाह गलदाल कृपालु दून दृगचारी
की बनवारी नथवारी आरती प्रीतम प्यारी
की बनवारी
नथवारी
एक उर पीतांबर पहर एक उर नीलांबर लहर दून उर लर मोतिन शहर कंकनन खनक किंकनी जनक नुपुरुन भनक धुन रुन जुन धुनि प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी
प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी
दूनी दृग चितवनी परवारी दूनी लट लट कनी छवि न्यारी दूनी भाव मत कनी अति प्यारी रसन मुख पान हसन मुस्कान दशन दम कान दूनी बेसर छवि न्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी गोविंद राधे भजु गोविंद राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे
राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
भजु गोविंद राधे भजु
गोविंद राधे
जय जय गोविंद राधे जय जय
गोविंद राधे
ओ राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे
राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद 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 राधे
राधे राधे
राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
मेरे गोविंद राधे
मेरे गोविंद राधे
भज गोविंद राधे
भज गोविंद राधे
जय जय गोविंद राधे जय जय
गोविंद राधे
ओ राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे
राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
भज गोविंद राधे भज
गोविंद राधे
जय जय गोविंद राधे
जय जय गोविंद राधे
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर् बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावत् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। बोले श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की, लाडली लाल की, श्री रासेश्वरी राधा रानी की जय। जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे। Please be seated. Take your seats, please, devotees. Before we come and take darshan, we'll ask someone to pass the arti. Someone can pass the arti, the basket or something. There's a couple announcements. Please return the books, devote, and the sheets also. Give the sheets to me. Couple announcements. As mentioned about the program tomorrow also. This summer, Jagat Guru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj, who is my Guru and who I told you was only the 5th original Jagat Guru or world teacher, has ordained that we should have every year a special retreat, Sadhana Shivir, special meditational retreat, and this is will be held every year at Radha Madhava Dham in Austin, Texas. This year it will start on June 28th and will finish on July 12th. In between, there's going to be Rath Yatra, where Radha Rani will be taken out in a divine chariot, and we'll all have the opportunity, joy of joining her in the divine procession. This retreat, which has been hosted at the Radha Madhav Dham,
In Shri Maharaj's words, many saints will be there to be dispensing the divine philosophy of the scriptures. It was a great benefit to all of us to be able to go and take part in this wonderful divine spiritual meditational camp. Accommodation, everything there is a very beautiful place. You can go online at radhamadhavdham.org and you can see for yourself. It's over 200 acres it's a remote place, away from everything, and it's so serene. You go there and you feel you're in some divine place. You actually feel. If you have those who have been, they can tell you. So I want to give a special invitation to all of you to think about it and see if you can, even if you can't make the whole thing, to make some of it. If you can't make the whole, great. But we should make an attempt. This is great. We will benefit tremendously. Those who have been to it, we had one last year, and it was really a great success and really wonderful. So it's a special invitation. You would like to get more details, you can talk to me personally, or you can talk to Ani ji and those who will be at the bookstall. They will tell you more, give you more information. Or we can tell you can go online at radhamadhavdham.org and you can get details there also about bookings, etc. Bookings are filling up very quickly, so you shouldn't wait too long. People are already starting to book. And there's a limited amount of, it's big, but still, as to how much they can accommodate. So you should try to book early if you would like to get a nice accommodation. It's reasonable, the rates, right? You only pay per night, and it includes food and everything. All right? So this is a very special invitation I'm giving to everyone to please do take the opportunity. Think about it seriously. It's a wonderful opportunity. All right? And this has been ordained by Jagat Guru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj himself that we should have this every year. And that all those saints will be coming there to help souls in the world, to uplift them spiritually. All right? So, again, it's from June 28th to July 12th, the retreat, the Sadhana Shivir. Of course, our program here continues. Tomorrow we're here in the evening. Tomorrow morning we're in Shiv Mandir. The program in Shiv Mandir normally starts at 9:30. Next program we have publicly will be on, is it Friday? Friday is at Amar Jyoti Mandir. This is in South Miami. And if you want to get more details, Uncle Raja will tell you, right? He's here, or Bobby, right? They can give you details about the temple. We'll be there on Friday, 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock. Saturday, we are going to Fort Myers, right? And if you want to join us, fine, right? And then the following Sunday morning, we'll be at Port St. Lucie, Devi Mandir, okay? And then following that, we have programs. Yes? Yeah, this is wherever we have the program, right? It will be streamed to you. So look out for updates. All right. Those of you who get updates from me, I'll be sending you the updates as to the online streaming. So many of you in different states, in Trinidad, Canada, etc., is looking, and you want to know when it is. So tomorrow again we will be streaming live from around 7 o'clock, a little after, right? And we have this fella moving up and down here. He could wait a little bit. All right. So yeah, wait a little bit over there. Right. So all those who will listen outside and looking at the program, where we have the program, we will be streaming live, and I'll be sending the details to you. All right. Those we announce, and there are some we are not announcing also too. So, but I will send details to you. All right. So all the programs we will be getting them. Okay. Anything else? Nothing else. We'll have a couple bhajans. All who would like to sing, please take the opportunity. We set up for a few bhajans. In the meantime, everyone will come up and take darshan at the altar. Aarti has been passed, so take darshan. Then you'll come to me and take prasad and chandan as my blessings to everyone. And Panchamrit, we had bathed the deity Radha, Shri Radha Krishna with the 5 amrits, and this is Panchamrit. So this wonderful prasad, this is Mahaprasad. Do partake before leaving. That's one great thing. And food has been prepared by everyone. Uncle Bal watching me, I know he said like, Swamiji forget. I ain't forget. All right? I think a little bit, but I ain't forget. Anyhow, so please do eat. All right? While we'll be serenaded by wonderful bhajans by the devotees. So enjoy the rest, right? It's Saturday night. We don't have to rush too much. Okay? So sit down and relax. Enjoy. Okay? Ladli Lal Ki.
भज मुरली मनोहर नंदलाला भज राधे गोविंद गोपाला भज राधे गोपाला भज राधे गोविंद नंदलाला भज राधे गोविंद गोपाला भज राधे गोविंद नंदलाला भज भज मुरली मनोहर नंदलाला भज राधे गोविंद गोपाला मनोहर नंदलाला भज राधे गोविंद गोपाला भज राधे भज राधे नंदलाला
भज राधे गोविंद गोपाला भज राधे गोविंद नंदलाला
ओ राधे कृष्ण राधे श्याम राधे श्याम 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 राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे राधे
कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
ओ राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
राधे श्याम 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 राधे राधे श्याम
श्याम श्याम राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
राधे श्याम 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 राधे राधे
राधे श्याम श्याम राधे राधे
ओ राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम 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 राधे ओ
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम श्याम राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
ओ राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
राधे श्याम 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 राधे 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 श्याम
श्याम राधे राधे
ओ राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम 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 राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम श्याम राधे
ओ राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम 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 राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम श्याम राधे राधे
ओ राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
ओ राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण राधे राधे
ओ राधे श्याम 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 राधे राधे
राधे श्याम श्याम राधे राधे
ओ राधे श्याम 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 राधे राधे
राधे श्याम श्याम राधे राधे
ओ राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम श्याम राधे राधे
राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे 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 श्याम श्याम राधे
ओ राधे श्याम श्याम राधे राधे
राधे श्याम श्याम राधे राधे
ओ राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम
प्रभु श्री कृष्ण भगवान चंद्र की जय। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। उबरिते भये नन्दलाला तेरी रात के ब्रजबाला परी दे नंदलाला तेरी रात के ब्रजबाला बाल बाल के से पूछ कहाँ है मुरली माला रे परी दे नंदलाला तेरी रात के ब्रजबाला परी दे नंदलाला तेरी रात के ब्रजबाला कोई न जाए कुंज गलन में तुझ बिन कलियां चुनी
तुझ बिन कलियां चुने को
तरस रहे हैं जमुना की तट उन मुरली के
धन मुरली के सुनने को
अब तो तरस दिखाने न सिकर क्यों दुबिधा मन काला रे
बड़ी दे बड़े नंदलाला तेरी रास पे ब्रजबाला बड़ी दे बड़े नंदलाला तेरी रास पे ब्रजबाला
संकट में है आज वो धरती इस पर तूने जन्म लिए
इस पर तूने जन्म लिया
पूरा कर दे वो पूरा कर दे आज वो जन वो गीता में जो तूने दिया
गीतों में जो चुन दिया
कोई नहीं है तुझ बिन मोहन भारत की रखवाला
बड़ी दे बड़े नंदलाला तेरी रास पे ब्रजबाला बड़ी दे बड़े नंदलाला तेरी रास पे ब्रजबाला
बाल बाल के
कहाँ है मुरली माला रे बड़ी दे बड़े नंदलाला तेरी रास पे ब्रजबाला बड़ी दे बड़े नंदलाला तेरी रास पे ब्रजबाला तेरी रास पे ब्रजबाला
वृंदावन का कृष्ण कन्हैया सबकी आंखों का तारा वृंदावन का
कृष्ण कन्हैया सबकी आँखों का तारा
मन ही मन क्यों चले राधिका मोहन क्यों है सबका प्यारा
वृंदावन का कृष्ण कन्हैया सबकी आँखों का तारा
यमुना तट पर
ओ मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। चितरैने ने सावल सारा, चितरैने नबी परवारा, चितरैने नबी परवारा। मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। चितरैने ने सावल सारा, चितरैने नबी परवारा। मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। जहाँ जमुना दिखाता मांगे, जहाँ मस्त कदम कर गूंगे। जहाँ जमुना दिखाता मांगे, जहाँ मस्त कदम कर गूंगे। तू भी काटे न गोर लगाया, तू भी काटे न गोर लगाया। मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। चितरैने ने सावल सारा, चितरैने नबी परवारा, चितरैने नबी परवारा। मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। जहाँ श्यामा में माखन खाए, और श्यामा में माखन जोआए। वह श्यामा में श्यामा श्यामा, वह श्यामा में श्यामा श्यामा। मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। चितरैने न सावल सारा, चितरैने नबी परवारा। ओ मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। जहाँ श्यामा में मुरली बजाए, जैसे राधा के नाच न जाए। जहाँ श्यामा में मुरली बजाए, जैसे राधा के नाच न जाए। मन मोहन मधुर नंदलाला, मन मोहन मधुर नंदलाला। तेरा रचयानंद लाला रे। मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। चितरैने न सावल सारा, चितरैने नबी परवारा। मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। चितरैने न सावल सारा, चितरैने नबी परवारा। मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए। मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए, मन चल रे वृंदावन चलिए।
So you have to
चार औरत कैसे द्वाल तुम्हारी हाँ हे पवन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्मा मैली चार औरत कैसे द्वाल तुम्हारी आओ ए पवन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माओ मैली चार औरत कैसे द्वाल तुम्हारी आओ ए पवन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माओ मैली चार औरत कैसे मैली चार औरत कैसे द्वाल तुम्हारी हाँ ए पवन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माओ मैली चार औरत कैसे मैली चार औरत कैसे द्वाल तुम्हारी आओ ए पवन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माओ मैली चार औरत कैसे।
Two speed. Two speed? Straight? Two speed. Faster, faster. Faster, faster. Slow, slow, slow. Oh, slow.
हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंद हरि नारायण हरिओ हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंद हरि नारायण हरिओ हरि केशव हरि गोविंद हरि नारायण हरिओ हरि केशव